Our Secretary General, Mr. Bharat Oza, has spoken to all the three players today. We have spoken to Leander, we have spoken to Mahesh Bhupati, we have spoken to Rohan Bopanna. We have been trying to explore all possibilities. We are trying to take guidance from the government. From the government, we are trying to take guidance from our senior people so that we can come at the best decision in the interest of the nation. And one feeling that is getting now with Leander's letter today, that Leander has made it quite clear that he would like to participate only if he is considered with Mahesh and Rohan, and in case both of them refuse to play with him, with the third person. So I think this has become a situation of great concern for us, because it is difficult to imagine a doubles team now without Leander, because if we do decide to send a team of Rohan and Mahesh, then obviously Leander will not be going. So India is only going to have one team in the Olympics, and it is only fair that the number one player should get the chance to play with the number two player, number three player. And I think we were looking for a solution by tomorrow, as we have to send the nominations tomorrow. And we sincerely hope that the players do understand that it is the need of the hour. The nation needs their support, and we are all working hard, and we all like all of our players. There is no anger against any of the players. We want all the players. They are all wonderful guys. But the problem is we have only 3 players who are capable of playing the doubles right now, and we have to select 2. It's a very unfortunate situation, because they're all 3 very deserving players, and we hope that we will be able to arrive at a solution tomorrow with somebody giving in for the sake of the nation, and we look forward to that. At the same time, I'm very much concerned, because we have sent our application for the wild cards for Sania today, and the International Tennis Federation is wondering what's happening with the Indian doubles team. And I think we must decide fast, because it may not go well in the eyes of the ITF as to what the Indian players are doing as far as their doubles team combination is concerned.
So how Leander is reacting now, do you feel that that's also sad, because he should have probably agreed with the way things were going?
Well, I would not like to get into the shoes of any player, you see, because we do not understand what the reasons are. I would have expected all the players to be cooperative and agree to whatever is required to be done in the interest of the nation.
Do you have the NDTV Profit app? All the markets, all the news, and your own homemade, ready-made portfolio available there for you.
We will right now answer what you should sell, what you should buy when markets are down.
Download at ndtvprofit.com/apps. Get the best app from the channel you trust.